Welcome back. Josh, we're talking headlamps today. Josh is excited. And we got a twofer going. We got two different brands of headlamps. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to let Josh tell us when he buys a headlamp, what he looks for before he buys one.
Well, I love headlamps, and I don't know if you use one.
I used to,
but I do
when I was
all
working
the time.
all the time. Yep.
Come on, we live in Minnesota. It's dark at 4 o'clock in the winter.
In December,
it's dark when I go to work.
We get 6 minutes of light in December. It's true.
That's stretching it a little bit. So there's two. I dug around a little bit. You obviously know I did my research.
Yes, he did.
Yes, and I went online and picked up some inexpensive headlamps.
I've never seen one like this.
Isn't that cool?
So this is just a strip of LED lights.
Yes. Yeah. So it's slim, lightweight.
Yep.
It's got 3 AAA batteries in it, 300 lumens, 210 degrees illumination. See, that's.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a picture from the 70s.
I guess
right
I can't
now
see how bright it is. How bright is it?
It is bright.
It is pretty bright. How many lumens?
Yeah, look at this. So this is 300, but this is a flood. Super low profile.
So that's kind of lighting up the whole room.
Yeah, and I like this one a lot, but you can't recharge it. But it's LED.
So it's got what?
3 AAA batteries.
AAAs, okay.
But the thing is with LEDs these days, they don't burn the batteries out fast. They go forever.
Yeah, exactly.
So then there's another one. So this one is OVLED. And you can get this one online.
That's the brand.
Yes, $14.95. Get it coming. It's got 2 settings. It's got a high. It's got a low. You can turn it off. So it's really cool. If you're working in the basement, if you're a mechanical guy, you want to see stuff. You're working on the back of the house.
Yep. I noticed. Yeah, the ones that I have kind of point. They're pretty pointy. They don't light up the whole room. They kind of focus in a certain area.
Yes. So that's the thing. So we're talking about sort of 2 different platforms, 2 different styles with them. I mean, you can use these for camping, DIY, hiking, walking the dog like you do at 4 o'clock in the morning when I see you go by the house. But here's another one that I got, and this is InnoGear. And InnoGear, this one's $31.99. You can get it online as well.
That's still reasonable.
Yeah, it is. And it looks really heavy, but Mark, feel that. It's not that heavy.
No, it's not.
No.
Yeah, because those are pretty light.
Yeah, and so what adds, you got the battery on the back here. You plug it into the transformer, the little adapter back here, and you charge it. So you can do it from your car. So you can do it from a USB on your computer to here. You can do it from the wall. So 110, 120, 120 volt. Also, for guys like you, Mark, I know when you're running early in the morning and walking Roxy, you could put a USB in here and charge your phone.
Oh, so you
could have this on your head with the cord holding your phone if you're running down to the last minute.
You can't have too many USBs.
No, that's
so what are the lumens
really
on this guy?
So, Mark, this has got more than the Ford Fiesta. 5,000 lumens.
5,000?
Look at this bad boy. You can adjust the top, the sides. This is like,
5,000. Holy moly, you're right. That is more than the Fiesta.
That's pretty bright. So there's 4 modes in this guy, and this is
crazy.
super uber
5,000.
comfortable.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3 LED. So 1, 2, 3. So there's strobe and spot, and then it floods as well. This is waterproof. It's got an IP65 rating on it.
I don't know what that is.
It's like you holding your water as long as you could underwater, and we put sand in your nose. And
So you can be in a heavy rain in that, and it's not going to affect it.
This thing, you could be outdoors, do whatever you want to it.
Am I going to find one of these in my stocking?
Well, that's something I want to mention. These are awesome for giveaways in your stockings. I about. I don't know.
I would accept one. Hint, hint. So this one, the brand again.
So that's the OVLED.
And it costs
$14.95 online. And then the other one, this is the InnoGear, and this one's $31.99 online shipped. This is an awesome stocking stuffer.
All right,
I could use another one, Mark.
You're gonna you could go on for another 10 minutes, couldn't you?
I know.
We'll see you next time.